we are lost. Oh no.
Where is the path? This is not the same road.
We are here. We are finally here.
Wow, this place is beautiful. Look at the mountains. They are very big.
I see clouds. The clouds are so close.
Yes, it feels like a dream.
Let's walk slowly.
Stay together.
Look there. I see a small house. Good eyes, Ayat.
Be careful. The road is small.
I like this place. It is quiet.
Where is the path? This is not the same road.
I think we are lost. Oh no.
Stay calm.
We will find the way. I feel tired. Just a little more.
Look, I see a house.
Where?
Over there near the tree.
I see it now.
Good, we are not lost anymore.
Let's go there together.
Okay, I feel better now.
Hello, are you lost?
Yes, we need help. How can we go back?
Follow this road, go straight, then left.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Are we almost there yet?
I think so. It's just past that house. Wow, look at the chickens and fresh food. This place is simple and peaceful.
I like it here.
Me too. Oh no, my toy.
What happened?
I lost my toy. Where did you see it? Near the road.
Do not worry.
Please find it.
We will find it. Let's find. Let's go back slowly. Look carefully. Is it here?
Check near the tree. I feel sad. It's okay, we are with you.
Hello again.
My toy.
Is this yours?
Yes, that is my toy. Thank you so much.
You are very kind.
My name is Ali.
Nice to meet you, Ali.
Thank you for helping us.
You are welcome, my friends. Do you want to see my home?
Yes, that sounds nice.
Come on, my little friends.
Thank you for inviting us. Is your house big?
No, it is small but comfortable. My home is not far.
That is good.
We can walk there. I am excited to see it.
Please follow me. This is my home.
It is simple and beautiful.
Very clean and peaceful.
I like your house. Thank you.
This is very nice. This village is very old.
Really? Tell us more.
The people here live simple lives.
I like this place.
There is a secret place near here. Secret place?
What is it?
What is it? A hidden waterfall.
Is it far from here?
No, it is not far. It is hidden in the forest.
What is there?
A beautiful waterfall.
A waterfall? That sounds amazing. I want to see it. Is it safe to go there?
Yes, but we must walk carefully.
Is the path difficult? I am a little scared.
Stay close and follow me.
Let's go there. I am excited.
Stay close and follow me. This is our secret place.
Wow! Look at the water.
It is so beautiful.
This is our secret place. The rocks are wet. Be careful.
Stay on the safe path.
That is fun.
Good teamwork.
Thank you, Ali. We learned a lot.
Come again, my friends.